Hi guys, welcome back to Math.io, and today we will learn about Thailand International Mathematics Olympiad 2016. And in this video, we will focus on logical thinking. So, the first question here it stated that Selena dessert is stolen. She asked her forecast and received reply as follows. First, Hera. She said David stolen it. Second, David. He said that Steve stolen it. Third one, Ruby. Ruby said I have not stolen it. Steve, David is lying. So the question is, given that only one of them had told lies, who stole Selena's dessert? So, based on the question, we learned that one of them told lies. So, the three others, they told the truth. So, uh, first, we need to know the tips. So the tips of doing this is we need to do it individually. So the first one, Hera. If Hera is telling the truth, David is guilty. But then Steve's statement is true. So this the first one is wrong because it had more than one lie. Second, if David is telling the truth, Steve is guilty. But then Steve's statement became false. But here's also false. So it's possible. Wait. Oh no, check carefully. Then the third one is Ruby. If Ruby is telling the truth, if Ruby is telling the truth, she's innocent. But then Hera's and David's statement are both lies. So Hera and David are lie, meaning Steve didn't lie. So this is also showed that this is wrong. So the answer is the last one. So tips for doing this question is to do it uh you need to do it individually. So you need to do it one by one. That's all from me. I hope you get the ideas of solving the first question of the logical thinking section of Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad 2016. See you in the next video and I will talk about this question.